Meet Poppy. Here is the upper jaw, lower jaw with 4-shaped mold for teeth, base for whole row of teeth, tweezer, floss stick, brackets for braces, hand-powered spinning tool, cavity filling extruder, toothbrush, inspection tool, scaler, 8 cans of Play-Doh, instruction manual. It's time for Poppy's annual checkup. Poppy looks like a baby without any teeth. Let's start making some teeth using white Play-Doh. Oh, different shapes for filling his mouth. Wow, it's so exciting. Let's make so many teeth. Also, let's make some teeth using green and white Play-Doh, where green is the gunk in the teeth. Golden and silver teeth as well. Let's make it beforehand. Let's start now filling his mouth. Oh, something is missing. Oh yeah, red Play-Doh for stick out his tongue. Now Poppy is all set with mouth wide open. Here green is a little cavity. Now, let's see the teeth using inspection mirror. They look good. Oh, one gunk in the teeth. Let's extract it. Which one you want? Silver or golden? You like silver? Let's do it. Now let's start seeing the lower jaw. Oh, looks like you have a small cavity, a small hole in the tooth. Let's fix it. Let's clean teeth with scaler nicely to take off the deposits and fill with a golden filling. I have a small drilling machine. This will clean your tooth and fill with fill color. Let's do it. A drilling machine will do it. Let's fill it with an extruder. A golden filling. Looks nice. This tooth too needs to be extracted, and let's replace it with golden one. Looks like you need one more tooth to be extracted. Let's extract it and fill it with golden. Bobby, your teeth are misaligned. You need braces. Let's make brackets on each of the Bobby's teeth and red wire on each of the brackets. Here we go. You look good. Your teeth will be fine. Don't worry, okay? Let me now brush your teeth. It's a magic stick and it will clean hidden surfaces too. Let's do it. Let's put some paste and start brushing your teeth. Now Bobby looks relaxed. Bobby, you should brush your teeth twice a day. Twice a day. Twice a day.